Hi, today I'm going to show you how to factory reset iPhone 12. Hey, thanks for joining us today. If you want to be up to date with the latest technology, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset iPhone 12. Click on settings and go to where you can see your name. Make sure you click on it. First thing you need to do is, before I show you, you need to figure out if you're trying to get the phone to somebody else, or if you're trying to just reset the phone because the phone is glitching. So I'm going to show you the two ways. Okay, if you just want to reset the phone and the phone is just glitching, you don't need to turn off Find My iPhone, because otherwise, if you want to give the phone to somebody, you need to turn off Find My iPhone. So click on Find My iPhone, click on the top, turn off, and you need to put your password. After when you put your password, go next, and then you need to go back. And then when you go back, what you need to do is you need to sign out. It's going to sign you out, Apple ID, so sign out. And then once you sign out on your iCloud and Find My iPhone, then you can erase your settings. You can go to erase the whole phone. So when you give it to somebody else, it doesn't give you a hard time. So then you need to go general, go down to general, and then click on reset, go to second option, erase settings, and then put your password. And when you put your password, then click erase iPhone, click erase iPhone again, and that's it. And then your phone's going to be erased, all your contents erased and everything. So just give it some time. It takes 5 minutes. Sometimes it could take even longer. It depends how much stuff you have on your phone. So if you guys find that helpful, give me a thumbs up, and thank you, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.